Do you have scrap fabric and hair ties? You could be making scrunchies. Learn how right now with me, Stacy. Welcome to another episode of Sewing with Stacy. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn your scrap fabric and hair ties into a cool accessory for you or a friend. First, pick a fabric and cut a rectangle 4 inches by 20 inches. Then you're ready to go. Now that you have your rectangle cut, turn it to the wrong side and fold down one edge 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Fold it in half so that it's right sides together. Take your hair tie and insert it between the two halves. Now line up your edges and put it under your presser foot. You're going to sew down this entire edge while keeping your hair tie pushed against the folded edge so that it encases itself. So you're just going to straight stitch, make sure you back stitch, and then again. This is going to be kind of a shuffle to keep this over while you straight stitch. Keep doing this until you get all the way to the end. It's okay if your edges don't line up perfectly. Just sew right off the end, making sure to backstitch. So right now, you have an inside out scrunchie. Now we're going to turn it so that it's right side out. Grab yourself a safety pin and pin it through this edge that you've turned down. Make sure that you're in enough so that you don't rip through the fabric. And what you're going to do is push that safety pin down in, and you're going to start reversing the fabric through the scrunchie. Comes a point when it shows up on the other end and you can just grab it and pull. And now your scrunchie is fully right sides out. To finish this off, what I like to do here is I take the raw edge, try to flatten that out as much as you can, put the raw edge into that folded edge. Line up those edges, again, best as you can. This is a scrunchie, so it is very forgiving. Just like that. And I just like to straight stitch this edge. You can go through the hair tie or stop right before it. That's your own preference. But just to close it up so that the fabric isn't exposing that hair tie, just straight stitch it and then fluff it out and you're ready to go. And there it is. It's as simple as that. Scrunchies are a cool, fun way to accessorize and express yourself, or to give them away to your best friend. If you don't have a fabric stash like I do and want to get some of these cool prints that I've been using, check out the links in the description below to get some of these fabrics in your own collection. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'm Stacy, and I'll see you next time between the seams.